Okay, let's do this.
Welcome to Playkids Explorer, a new way. To begin, point the camera at a magic card.
Whoa. Wow, what's that?
Who's this from? What's it?
Playkids Explorer.
Here we go. We're opening it up. Oh. What is this? Oh my goodness. It looks, what is this? Oh look, a welcome note. Playkids Explorer. Hello family. What a joy to be together aboard Playkids Explorer. Each component of this kit was carefully created by our team of specialists in child development to ensure that childhood curiosity becomes an important ally when it comes to learn and have fun. Playkids Explorer was created according to the phase of life of each little explorer. With this in mind, the personalized book, the magic cards, the activity magazine, and the collectibles have the best format and content to support the different phases of child development from 1 to 10 years old. All details are always designed based on STEAM basis to present a fully immersive experience for the whole family. Every month you'll find a surprise to explore a different place with your best companies. So, all set for the family trip? Have a good exploration. We'll see you in the next destination with Adventure Playkids Explorer team. All right, well look at that, Danika. You got a little passport for all your adventures. Okay, look, and Danika, you got some magic cards too. Oh wow.
And I want to build it, please. I need the help.
These look fun. I bet you can play with these on the cell phone. All right.
Sorry.
What's that?
Sun.
What's the next one?
Saturn.
What's the next one?
Astronaut.
What's the next one?
Space shuttle.
What
Okay.
about this one? Coloring space.
Coloring space. Coloring space.
Good job.
Okay, look at this is the Explorer camera, Danika.
Playkids Explorer is here.
Turn on the camera, and then we just go
Point the
over.
camera at a magic card.
Magic card. Mm-hmm. Look at that. For 3D.
Astronaut.
Look at it.
At a magic card.
Oh, here we go. There's the planet Saturn. I push.
Saturn. Saturn is a planet. Saturn is made out of gas. It is possible to see Saturn's rings from Earth with a telescope.
Wow.
That's Earth.
No, that's Saturn.
Sun. The sun is a star.
And your own personalized book. Yeah. All right. And then some stickers.
I broke it.
An adventure stamp on here.
I need help, Mommy. I don't
Official adventure stamp is
On.
now on. Wow. Some crafts. Whoa. Okay.